Greetings and blessings, welcome to the plot. Yeah, nearly shed a tear when I came the other day and I saw this. Basically, cut the long story short, this is, or no, it is, let's be positive about this. This is a cucumber plant. I planted it out the other day and it got caught by that little snap of frost that we got. Yeah, I must admit, it's not a particular forte of mine. Like, how do you prevent frost, keep the plant warm? What was I supposed to do, hug it all night? Anyway, it's happened. It still looks like it's survived. Parts of it look okay to a certain degree, so I'm literally going to take off the worst parts affected and hope for the best. I've got my lovely Wilkinson sword snips here, and I'm just gonna cut off these really badly effective leaves. I'm gonna try and get close to the stem as possible. Yeah, with these I do get a nice clean cut, so it is quite easy and straightforward, I must admit. Yeah, I'm conscientious about taking off all of the leaves. However, from my experience and limited knowledge, it's no point the plant trying to use its energy in healing these really badly damaged leaves. Be better off if I eliminate that and it decides to reproduce new healthy leaves. So like I said, some of the lower leaves are okay, and leaves are essential for photosynthesis, hence why I'm concerned about taking off all of them. Even though they are damaged like that, I feel they must be doing something for the cause. But yeah, like I said, I'm really hoping for the best. I'm not expecting much. I was lucky enough to be gifted some cucumbers the other day, which I have planted all at once. Yes, put all the eggs in one basket and try and recoup my losses, I suppose. Because I'm not confident that she's going to return. But in saying that, she did have a good life up until the frost. Oh, sorry. Dodgy cameraman. Yeah. Same thing here with my peppers. Got burnt by the frost. Middle of May. Imagine. Yeah, climate in this country can be annoying. Such is life. This little one, ironically, I put out 2 days after. So, not all is lost. Tomatoes. Yeah, there's nothing to salvage on that, but I got some indoors. That one don't look too bad, but I was saying the other day to my friend that once the damage is done, the damage is done, you know? Bit like a unforgiving childhood, if you will. Anyway, that's me waffling on. I'm sure you can see the before and after. I have gone... Yeah, it's hurting me. Don't like savaging my plants like this, but yeah, I think it's got to be done. Let's hope for the best. I'll keep you updated.